So a few months ago, I reviewed the #1 nutrition app in Spain and also Latin America. This app is called Fitia. And one of the craziest features is that it actually lets you import recipes directly from TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube onto the app. And there you can actually see the nutrients, the recipe, and the ingredients that you need. I know it sounds too good to be true, but let's get right into it. Now, the entire video is just featuring Fitia's newest features, and of course, if you haven't seen my full review of Fitia, make sure you check it out on my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe as well. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first order of business is their amazing ability to import recipes directly from any social media platform like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or more. And this feature actually solves a lot of problems because if you're like me, you might be saving a lot of recipes on TikTok or Instagram, but you never look back because you're probably too lazy to look up the ingredients and also see exactly what the macros look like. But now with Fitia's newest feature, if you click share and then click Fitia, everything gets directly imported into the app. You can see things like macros, the ingredient list, and the cooking steps, making it so much easier to follow along. Now, while we're on the topic of recipes, I also want to talk about their AI recipe generation. They updated it so that it's completely redesigned recipe view where you can actually generate additional AI recipes for your meal plans using something called Fitia coins. Like other AI platforms, these coins renew monthly and they are for premium members only. Next is their AI coaching tones. So of course, Fitia has an AI coach to help you stay on top of your nutrition, basically acting as your personal nutritionist. But the cool thing is that recently they added a feature where they can actually change the personality of your AI health coach. So you can choose between supportive, passive aggressive, or direct, whichever ones that fits your personality the best. And having the ability to personalize the feedback is always a really nice touch on any app platform. Now, the AI meal plan personalization also just got a major refresh. It can now generate more complex and highly personalized meal plans specifically for you. So instead of just focusing on things like losing or gaining weight, it also takes into account health conditions like insulin resistance or diabetes. And this is something that really helps differentiate itself from other nutritional apps because it makes that whole personalization that much more intuitive. Speaking of staying on top of your nutritional goals, Fitia also added a completely new social tab. Now it's more like a Reddit style space where you can create groups, post your meals, and compete with each other to help everyone stay accountable. But by far, one of my favorite features is actually their nutrition score because it's really eye-opening to see exactly how much unprocessed to processed foods I actually eat. And that information is a lot more helpful than I actually expected. So the nutrition score now gives you a daily score that actually rates the nutritional quality of your meals. This includes things like micronutrient tracking, food quality, and at the end of the day, you get coaching insights from the Fitia coach on how well you ate and what you can do to improve. Lastly, as a nice quality of life improvement, they've also added the ability to carb load. This is great because you can now vary your caloric to carbohydrate intake across the week. That way, you can align it with your training days, rest days, or maybe you just have personal goals. Now, of course, Fitia is actually completely free to use, but just so you know, the premium version does give you a 3-day free trial to explore all these new features that I just mentioned. So you can pay $19.99 per month, $60 annually, which is a great price. But by far the best price is the $89.99 annual family membership, which of course is an amazing deal if you can split it. And of course, most importantly, it makes calorie tracking actually fun and frictionless. So for me personally, out of all the calorie tracking apps that I've actually tested, I feel like Fitia is probably one of the more intuitive and enjoyable experience that I've actually used. Because when it comes to eating healthier and actually tracking my food, I believe that the process should be as frictionless as possible, and I think Fitia does a very good job with that, considering the new TikTok feature where you can import recipes, which is still insane to me. So if you're interested in Fitia, I'll leave a link down below. Make sure you check them out. It's definitely worth a try. It's free to use. And if you guys love everything to do with fitness apps and fitness tech and wearables, make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the latest content. And of course, I have more videos here and here if you want to check those out. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.